Hello, future millionaire. I want to use this video here to give you an opportunity to front run me. Just like Roger Ver did with his interview, he allowed you to front run him 4 weeks ago. Now I'm giving you ample opportunity and warning before the price of Bitcoin Cash goes up to front run me. Let me tell you what I'm going to do. Here I am at a location undisclosed, and the people in the know will know where I am, not you guys, but those people I'm addressing is gonna know this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna activate my Singapore connection. I lived in Singapore for 10 years. I was the biggest silver trader there in silver futures contracts when I was active, private silver futures contract trader. I paid more commission than any other people combined, and during that period of time, I've lost connections, old connections. I haven't had in touch with them for many years, but it's very easy to activate those. The house I'm showing you it belongs to one of those connections I have, and he is connected to a couple $1 billion. I myself is connected to a couple $1 billion. It's not my money, it's other people's money, but I know them. So I let you front run me now. When you watch this video, you know I'm giving you the opportunity to accumulate as much BCH as you can before I activate my Singapore connection. And you have to understand one thing: Singapore is money. Have you ever watched the movie Crazy Rich Asian? Let me tell you, that's not a fairy tale, that's realities. That's a documentary, okay? That's documentary in Singapore. For example, this car I'm driving here, I'm getting a bargain. In Singapore, this car costs $350,000 Aussie. And that is nothing. People pay cash for those things. And so put into perspective, then you suddenly understand 111 Teslas isn't much money at all. Really. I will activate my Singapore connection and convince at least $2 or $3 billion to go into Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, you heard me that right. Over the next 12 months, I will try my very best. I cannot promise, but I can try my very best to make the case for Bitcoin Cash in front of at least $5 billion worth of capital owners. Of course, I cannot disclose to you who and where and all that stuff, but I can tell you I have enough connection in Singapore to activate at least $4 to $5 billion. If they want to invest or not invest is up to them. How much you want to put into it is up to them. But I think my own case is proving to them that Bitcoin Cash is the right investment, and as a diversifier. Please understand, everybody knows BTC, but not that many people truly understand the power of BCH. Once I use the day-to-day examples like Teslas and coffee shops to showcase to people that this payment system is legit and is faster, easier, cheaper to use than BTC ever will be, and there's no capping, and there's unlimited potential on the upside. And on top of that, the number one holder of BCH, don't forget, is Satoshi Nakamoto himself. All right? Think about that. How hard it is for me really to convince a group of very smart people in Singapore who have control over $5 billion to put even a fraction of their net worth into Bitcoin Cash. Just think about that. All right? See you in the next video. Front run me. Remember, front running